This conference will now be recorded.
Right. So today let us start working with CSS. Okay. 2D. Okay. 2D transforms, guys. Okay. 2D transforms. 2D. Okay. Transforms, guys. Transforms. Right. So first we'll see this one. By using this one, we'll create the 2D animations or 3D, guys. We'll see all those things. Start with which one? CSS 2D animations. Nothing but we see first of all transform, guys. Transforms. So here means we use a property called the transform property, guys. We use a property. The name is the transform property. What's property name? See, yesterday we used like a display property, right? Grid template columns, grid template rows. Okay, or justify items, align items, like that we use a lot of properties, right? So now we're going to use which property? Transform property, guys. What's the property name? Transform property. Transform property. It's a property name, guys. Property name. It's a property name. For this property has a okay lot of, guys, more number of values. This property has a more number of values. This property has a more number of values, because suppose if you have a box, let's take a box. That box I want display some rectangular shape, or like in curve shape, or like okay moving to top or down. So a lot of things we do here, guys. Displaying 50 percentage angle, 90, like that. We do a lot of values are there here. Translates lot of values are there for the single transform property, right? We'll see all those values, guys. We'll see all those values, right? So first of all, let me create one file. Okay, now all of you, I am going to create a file, guys. I'm going to create a file. I'll save the file. Let's take now transforms, right? Transform data HTML. Okay. Right. Now I'll close all previous files, guys. Yes. Now, so I'll take one division, guys. Okay. I'll take the one division. I just take the only one division, guys. Only one division. That's all. Only one division. The division name I can give, for example, only one, guys. I'll take suppose the main division. I'll take this one as a one class name keeping, guys. Let's take simply any name, NTH, simple like that. Just only I'm taking one empty division, guys. I'm taking the just one empty division. Okay. For this one, I'm going to apply some styles, guys. Like I'll take the some height and width of this one. I take the some height and width of this one. I will take the styles. I will style for which one dot NTH, right? NTH, guys. I'll take the, or else see we have the only one division, right? We have only one division. So without this class name also we can apply the styles, right? Without this class also we can apply by using a div tag, right? Because we have the only one div tag, only one division is there here. All right, I'll take some width. I'll take some width, for example 100 pixels, guys. We'll take the width 100 pixels. We'll take the height, right? Height. Okay, we'll take the height. Height also. Let me take the 100 pixels. 100 pixels. I'll take some background color. Some background. Okay, some background, guys. background at background, right? Background color. Let's take for example some light blue, guys. Okay, I'll take the light blue color. That's all. I save this one. I'll save this one now. I'll run our file, guys. I will run our file. Just I'm taking the one empty, box. That's why I'm taking the for division. I given that height and the width, guys. I given height and width. Where is that one? Transforms, right? Yes. Now all of you guys can observe here. All of you guys can observe here what I am doing now. Just we are taking the one empty, one kind of box, guys. So I'm taking the empty division. For the division, I given the some height and width, guys. Some height and width. For the same one, I'll take the some margin also, guys. I'll take the margin. I'll take the margin. For example, let's take here something. I'll take 300 pictures. Then I'll take the auto, guys. What is the meaning of auto? I am giving two values, right? First one 300, the second one auto. What's first one? Top and bottom, right? Top and bottom now 300 pictures. Right and left auto. Auto means as for the window size. Okay, as for window size, it's automatically adjust, guys. Okay, all of you observe, guys. Okay, observe here. See, adjusting, guys, right? As for window size, adjusting automatically. Adjusting automatically, guys. Which one? Width. The means right and left. Right and left. Okay, that's fine. But I think it came very down, guys. 300 I don't take. Let's take with suppose 200, guys. 200 pictures. Yeah, that's fine. On this one, I'm going to work with the transform property, guys. I'll apply the transform property, right? Transform property. Okay, right. So I'll take the transform. All of you observe. I'm going to take the transform, right? Transform, guys. Transform, right? Transform. Yes. So here the transform property supports n number of functions, guys. N number of functions, like suppose rotate function is there. Rotate. I want to rotate that box for 45 degrees, guys. I'll take the 45 degrees dg. I am taking now degrees, guys. Okay, 45 degrees. Now let us see. All of you observe, guys. All of you observe. Yes. Now all of you observe, guys, right? Observe here. It's transforming. Okay. How much here? 45 degrees, guys. It transformed 45 degrees. 45 degrees. Okay. If suppose now what do I do? What do I do? All of you observe. See here the thing is that actually, see, this is the all of observe now. All of observe, this is the actually main box, right? Now how it is displaying now? It is displaying like this. Okay, displaying like this, guys. Now my question is does it rotated this right side or left side, guys? That's the question now, because you can't identify. See, guys, here, right? Because all are same, right? Same corner, same size, same height. Same height is there. That's why. So we can't unable to understand this one, right? So for that one, what do I do? I'll take the different height, guys. Okay. I'll take the different height. For example, let me take 300 pixels, guys. 300 pixels and just this one I'll remove. Yes, guys. Okay. Let us see now. Now, yes, guys. So just understand now. So it's like a cylinder, right? Like a cylinder, guys, rectangular box. Now we can easily understand now. I take the this rotate 45 degrees. Now all of you observe, guys. All of you observe. Yes. So which side, guys, now? Which side it is rotated, guys? Which side rotated? So initially it is like this, right? All of you observe. It is like this initially. Now all of you observe initially. Okay, it is like this, right? Like this, guys. 45 degrees means see now So it came like this, right? It came like this, guys. What this means? What happened here? To move outside clockwise direction, guys. Clockwise direction. Right side, right side. It is moving. Is moving the right side. How much I have taken? 45 degrees, right? We can take any degrees, guys. Suppose I'll take here only 10 degrees only. 10 degrees only, right? 10 degrees only. See, guys, right? Okay. So actually, see, this is the suppose, guys. This is the one vertical line, right? How much here? 10 degrees only rotated. How much here? Just, guys, 10 degrees only, right? This one like this, guys. How much here? This is the 10 degrees rotated here. Okay. Suppose if I take the 90 degrees, guys, I'll take the 90 degrees. 90 degrees, guys. I'm taking 90 degrees. Then now see, the vertical cylinder came as a horizontal, guys, right? Horizontal. So this is the actual one, right? Actual one. Now it came like this. Means how much now, guys? 90 degrees rotated, right? 90 degrees rotated, guys. So this is the one of the transform function, guys. One of the transform function. One of the transform, right? What's function name? Rotate. Okay, rotate, guys. So rotate. I'll take the 45, guys, right? Normally. Now we'll go for one more transform property. The same transform. Yes, I'll take here scale, guys. Scale. I'm taking now scale method, scale function, guys. I'm taking now scale. Okay, scale of I'll take the 2. Scale of 2, guys. Scale of 2. I'm taking now scale of 2. Now you understand what is scale here. Now all of you observe what happened, guys, here. Scale of 2. Scale of 2, right? 1 second, guys. For some time, this one, I stop this one, guys. Yes. Now I'm taking the scale of 2, right? Scale of 2, guys. Scale of 2 means it is increasing the size, guys, and increasing the size. If I take the scale of 1, if I take the scale of 1, guys, scale of 1, scale of 1, so this is the default size, guys, right? Scale of a default size. If I take the 1.5, 1.5, what is happening here? It is increasing half, guys. Increasing. If I take the 2, if I take the totally 2, increasing more, right? Increasing more, guys. Double. If I take the scale of 5, scale of, guys, right? Scale of 5, see, it's coming very big, right? Very big, that box, guys. So that's increasing, right? Increasing, guys. If I take the one, again, default size, right, guys? Is the default size. I want decrease the size. Then if I want decrease the size, I'll take the 0.5, guys. For example, I'll take now 0.5, 0.5. Yes, guys. All of you observe, guys. Now I'll take the 0.1, for example. 0.1. Yes, guys. Can you see here? Very small size came. So rotate function and the scale function, guys. Rotate and the scale. Rotate and the scale, right? So if you take the one above one, it increase the size of the that box. If you take the less than one, like 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, then it decrease the actual size, guys. It decrease the actual size. That is which one? So we have taken the scale 2, all of observe again, scale 2. So what is happening? It is increasing both x direction size and the y direction size, guys, right? And both the directions are it's increasing size. All of clear, right? It's increasing on both the x and y directions. X and y, x and y, right? X and y. Okay, suppose I'll take here scale x, guys. I'm taking the scale x, guys. Let us see now what is scale x. All of let me know, guys, what happened here. I'm taking the scale x only. So then what happened, guys? Tell me now, all of you. I'm taking the scale x. Then what is happened? What happened here? Which height increased? Which one? Height or width, guys? All of right. What happened here? if I take now x 3 guys, scale x of 3, scale x of 3. See what is happening guys here. On x-axis guys, on x-axis, on x direction, it's increasing the height, right? Now all of you generally this is called x-axis, right? X-axis, this is called y-axis, right? Y-axis guys, and this is the actually the default box. This is actually the default box. Now what I am taking there, I'm taking now transform, I'm taking there transform, okay, transform, I'm taking here scale, I'm taking scale x guys, right? I'm taking scale x of some value, maybe 2, maybe 3, 4, 5, like this. Then what is happening? Though on x direction only, we can increase the which one width, like this guys. Only this is the x, right? This is the x guys. On this x direction only, what is happening? It's increasing the which one we can say width. If I take the scale y, then it increase like this guys, right? Top to bottom, and y axis it will increase. Okay. So this is the x, right? I am taking the x guys. I'll take the suppose x 10. Let us see. Let us see guys. See, came very lengthy guys, right? Very lengthy. X8 for example guys. X8 still came very lengthy, right? Let's take the 6 for example. Yes guys, see now. All of it. I can take the 6.5 for example guys. 6.5. 6.5. See, almost it's coming left to right of the browser, right? From left to right guys. From left to right of the browser. Okay. Then can I take here transform scale y of 2 guys, scale y of 2, all of observe, see the y direction guys, any change, y direction guys, any change is there, any change is there guys, any change is there. So we're taking the same transform 2 times, right? Same scale 2 times. So just this one, stop it guys, then take the only y, take the y guys, observe here, only y. If you want both, then simply can take the scale guys, simply take the scale. When if you want to increase both height and width, we take the which one? Only scale, right? Scale guys, we take the scale. We take the scale guys. If you want any one, only y or x, then we can take which one? Scale x, scale y, like that guys. Scale x, scale y we can use. Okay, that's fine. Now I'm taking the scale 2 guys, right? Now what happened here? Both x direction, y direction increased. Okay, right. The next one, let us see one more transform guys, transform. One more is there, skew guys, skew of. I'll take the 2. Skew is there. Skew is there guys. Okay, what does it mean? It's not coming right. I will take the control S. So I think guys, for skew we should take either skew x or skew y, like this guys. We should take x and y. What is this skew? I'll tell you guys. Okay, I'll tell you what is happening here. SKEW, correct only, scale. Oh, so all of you observe, transform scale we use, right? Scale we used. Um, Suppose if I take the scale y, so here this q, right? So what is actually, what is the meaning of q means? Now all of observe. So this is the right now actually the box, right guys? Q means so it gives like this. It gives some slant guys, like this. It gives some kind of slant like this guys. Okay, it gives like this. This is called skew, right? But why it's happening here? not for degrees, not for the rotate, guys. So actually it should work SKEW correct only. I think let us try, guys, without to scale, without to scale. No. So if you remove the X also, if you remove the X also, no, guys. Actually, this type of this animations, these transforms, it depends upon the browser, guys. Browser support also depends upon the browser version type, browser support also, guys. Okay, it is not supporting this one, right? So any spelling mistake is there? Transform, right? Transform, transform, right? Transform. You take the generally direction, guys. X, Y like this. I'm taking the 2. 1 second, guys. Let me go to the Google. Let me check once, guys. Let me check once whether I'm using correctly or not. Okay. CSS transform. Yes, transform CSS property. Is all, guys. Whatever you take, all same as it is. Oh, so all of you can observe here, guys, right? Can you observe here? So transform Q W degrees is there, and also normally you can use the number also, guys, right? We can use some degrees, or you can use normal number also possible, right? Let me take the 1.5 is there, right? We are taking the 2, that's all, right? Let me take the, for example, y. I'm taking as it is, guys. Whatever they used, I'm taking as it is. I'm taking the 1.5. Let's go there. Let me refresh this one. I'm refreshing, guys, here. Still not coming. Let me take the degrees wise, or else 20 degrees, right? I will use 20 degrees, guys. Okay, 20 degrees I'm using there. 20 degrees, right? Correct. I save it. Control yes. Control yes, right? Let's go there. Let me refresh here. Oh, yes, guys, right? See, here they are showing with which one, the number also, guys, right? Number also they are showing, right? But it's supporting which one, degrees, guys, 20 degrees. Right now, what is happening, guys? Here, what happened now? 20 degrees came, guys. 20 degrees came. Now, suppose if I take here 10 degrees, guys. Okay, I take 10 degrees only. Okay, then let's go there. Let's go there. Now, all of you observe. All of you observe. All of you observe here. Right. Okay. All of you please mute the mic. All of you please mute the mic. Someone did not mute the mic. Okay. So guys, here on a y direction, right, guys? Y direction is increasing. Let's take the 30 degrees. 30 degrees, right? 30 degrees. Now all of you observe. All of you observe, right? So what is happening here? What happened, guys? Here, see, this is the x. This is the y, guys. This is the y, right? This is the y. So what I used there? What I used, guys? Here I used the skew y. I used the y, right? We used the y. Rushkesh, please check once your mic. Rushkesh, yes. So we have taken there a skew y, right, guys? Skew y. So this is the all of you. This is the actual x direction. This is the actual, right, y, guys. Y. Now see that y side only, this y side only guys, right? Y side only it's moving down, right guys? Y side only it is taking the degrees. Okay, y direction only. I want this side guys, reverse. I want a reverse. Then what do we do? What do we do, guys? We want the reverse. Then I will take the suppose x guys. I'll take the x. Okay, x. Now all of you observe. All of you observe. So what happened, guys? Here now all of you observe what happened here. In the previous case, this is the right. This is the y. This is the sorry guys. So this is the x and y, right? This is the x and y. This is the x and y. This is the right actual, right? This is the which one? That actual right cylinder, guys. Actual cylinder. Okay. If you take the x, then this side is moving, right? If you take the y, then what's happening, guys? This side is moving, right? Reverse side moving, guys. Again, you can observe, guys. I'll take the y. I'll take the y. I'll take the y. Yes. Okay. I'll take the x, guys. We'll take the x. X. Now all of you observe like this. X and y, guys. Okay. X and y. Skew x and skew y, guys. Skew x and skew y. Okay. Right, guys. Right now, what you have seen about the scale. You have seen about the scale and about the which one? That rotate and this one, guys. Right. So what is one now? This Q, right? This Q, guys. Okay. This Q you have taken. And one more also is there, guys. One more also is there. That is the translate, guys. Okay. Translate. It is that one also. Translate, right? Translate of so first of all let me check without taking this all. Now any transform is not there. Yeah, this is the default one, right? Default one, guys. Now I'll take a translate of some 100 pixels, guys. 100 pixels. Now all of you observe what is the translate of 100 pixels. Now all of you what happened, guys, here? All of you what happened here? So I'm taking now translate of 100 pixels. I take now 200 pixels, guys. 200 pixels. Now all of you what is happening here? Moving the right side, guys. Right, moving the right side. If I take suppose minus, guys. Suppose it doesn't does support minus or not? Yes, coming the outside. All of right. Actually, now outside moving this one. Outside, guys, moving left side, right? Left side, guys. Left side. So here also we can take the x, guys. We take the x. We take the x. X. Now all of observe. So I'm taking the x here also, but default x, guys. Default moving the x-axis, right? So suppose I take the plus value, guys. X of 200. I take the c, guys. Okay, by default x value. Suppose I want to move to the top and bottom, means you take the y, guys, right? Y, I am taking the 200 pictures. Y, guys. Y means see moving down. Moving down. If I take the minus, guys, if I take the minus minus 200, moving to top, guys. Moving to top. Moving to top. So by default x, guys. By default x. In the x, if I take the plus value, moving to the right side. Right side. Right side. If you take the minus value, moving to the left side, that is the x. And if I take the y, translate of y, I give the value, positive value, moving to down. Moving to down. If I give the any negative value, then moving to top, guys. Moving to the top. Okay, moving to the top. Moving to the top, right? Top, guys. Yes. Now one more is there, guys. One more is there. One more is there. Right. So all of it clear till now, right? It's a transform. Like now we have seen, I think 4 functions, right? Rotate function, scale function, skew function, translate function, guys. All of it, right? Till now we have seen here 4 functions. What are those? First we have seen the rotate function, then scale, guys, scale function, Then skew, right? Skew, guys. SKEW, skew. Then next one, just now you have seen the translate, guys. Okay, translate function. Translate function. Now let us see one more, guys. That is the matrix function, guys. Matrix function. All of observe one more matrix function. Matrix function. Just observe, guys. Now let us see what is the what will happen when I use the this which one this matrix function. Okay, matrix function, guys. Fine. So the matrix function required a different number of arguments, guys. First of all, in this all we have taken only one argument, right? Like a rotate of 40 degrees, one value only. The scale of some 30, 40, skew of some 20 degrees, translate of 100 pictures or minus 100 pictures, something like that. In case of matrix, guys, in case of matrix, it required a lot of more number of arguments, guys. So the first argument is now all of observe. So it allows multiple arguments, right? I take the square box list of like this. The first argument is we take the scale, guys, scale y, scale x, guys. First is this is the first argument. Scale x value we give there. We have here scale x y, right? Scale x, scale y. So here the matrix first of all we give the scale x value, scale x value. Next one, guys. Next one we give here one more value skew, guys. Okay, skew y, guys. Skew y next we give. Next, the third one is all of you just imagine what I am doing here. Skew y over, right? Skew x, guys. Skew x. Then the fourth one is then you take the scale, guys. Right? Now scale x over. I take the scale y. Scale, guys. Okay. Scale y, guys. Scale y will take. Right? Now 4 over. The next translate, guys. Okay. Translate x. Translate y, guys. So we take here translate x, comma, then we take here translate. Okay, translate, guys. Translate y, guys. Okay, so we give here scale x. Now all of tell me now what is scale x, guys. What is the meaning of scale x? All of let me know what is the meaning of scale x, guys. So first value is the scale. I am taking the syntax, guys. This is the syntax of matrix. Just is the only syntax, guys, not the main. Okay, syntax. What is the scale x, guys? All of you. What is the scale x? Scale x will increase the which one? Width or height, guys? Width or height? Width or height? Yes. Width in the right side or left side, guys? The width in the right or left side? Right or left side, guys? Okay, right side. Fine. Then skew y means it will be rotating to the which side? Right, right side, guys. Right. Now this rotating to the which one again? Left side, right, anti-clock. Then again scale y means which one? Increasing the height, right side, right side, guys. The scale y means which one? Scale means which one, guys? Increasing the height top side, right? Translate x means moving to which one? Again right, x means what is there here? Height, guys, and this all. Okay, see, guys, right? Now I'll take the one simple matrix with these all values, guys. With these all values, now all of you observe how it will work. Let us see now, guys. Okay, let's take here transform, right? Transform. Okay, transform matrix of okay. I give the all the values, guys. I give all the values. What's first one? Scale x, right? I am giving the scale x 2 and skew y, skew w, guys, x, right? I'll take the both 1 1, both 1 1, right? And next scale y, I'll take the 2, guys. I'll take the 2. Next, what is there? Next, what is there, guys? Here we have the translate x, translate y, right? I'll take the 100. Again 100, guys. Let us see what will happen. Let us see here, guys. Let us see now what will happen. Now all of observe. See the combination of those all guys. Combination of these 6 arguments. Now that is translate y, right? This is the translate y guys. Last one. Translate y. I'll take the less value. For example, 20 pixels. All of you observe what is happening. Observe guys here. Just take the less translate value guys. Okay. I'm taking the less translate y value. At the same time, I'll take the let's translate x value also, guys. Now all of what happened here, it's moving, right, guys? It's moving the right. It's moving, guys. Okay. So if you take the small values, if you take the small x value, it's moving the which side, right side, left side, which side, left side, right, guys? It move the this side, and I had taken the y20, right? Y20, guys. Okay. So what happened here? Video paused. All of you, video not paused, guys. I hope video is not paused. All of you. So we'll take here, guys. We'll take now that scale x1, both 1 1, guys. I'm taking here both 1 1. So where is that one, guys? All of you observe that is disappeared, guys. Okay, that is disappeared because I'm taking the that scale values, q value same, right? That is not even visible, guys. Okay, that's even not visible. Let me take here 2 guys. Okay, that scale values I'm taking 2 now visible, right? Now I'll take the minus, guys. Translate y. I take the minus value. So minus value, guys, right? Minus value. I'll take the translate x also -20, guys. Okay, -20. Right, -20. So all of you, I'll increase the height and width, guys, so that it's better to understand. Okay. Yes. Now all of you observe, guys. All of you observe. I'll keep on change the this matrix values and observe, guys. Okay. So here this 2 and 2. What are the values, guys? What are the values 2 and 2? The scale x, scale y, guys. Scale x, scale y, right? So I am taking here, suppose scale x3, scale y3, guys. Okay, I am taking the sorry. Now I'm taking 3 3, guys, right? I'm taking 3 and 3. So at that time increasing the height, guys. Okay. If you take here, suppose only scale y, I'm taking the 3, scale y, I'm taking the 4, and the scale x, I'm taking the 2 only, guys. Okay, 2 only, 2 only. Now what happened, guys, here? What happened here? The height increased more, guys. Scale y increased more, and the scale x increased less, guys. Okay, increased very less. So all of you, that scale y means this one increased more, right, guys? And this one increased less. Okay, that's fine. Scale x, scale y, and the cube is there. I'll take here, suppose 2, guys. I'll take the 2. I'll take the 2. Cube use cube x and y, right? Observe, guys. Now, right? It's rotating both more, right? So like this, guys, you keep on practice different ways, guys, right? See now, we take the minus value. It is coming reverse side, guys, right? We take the minus value. What is third argument, guys? QX. Okay, it's coming the reverse side, right? Reverse side, guys. This one we save it. Okay. And next one, let's go for this minus values, right? I'll take here plus 100, guys. Okay. Which one translate EX, right, guys? Right side moving. If I take the again 100 here, then y means moving down, guys, right? Moving down. Yes, see, guys, it's moving down. Okay, but this scroll bar is there. That's why unable to understand, guys. Okay. So all of you, just guys, this matrix function, you try one more time, guys. Okay. by taking the different values. You keep on try, guys. Keep on try. Which one? This transform, right? Transform, guys. So all of you see, it seems little bit complex, guys, right? Seems little bit complex to understand this which one is q value and this plus values, minus values, and the matrix has this number of arguments. Little bit complex, guys, but still if you practice 2 or 3 times, guys, then it will be very easy, guys. It will be very easy. So what do you do, guys, after class over? This one you practice multiple times, because we're going to create some simple animations. There, guys, we use this transform property compulsorily. We use this transform property for a scale purpose, for rotate purpose, for translate purpose. We use, guys. So this one you try compulsorily minimum 2-3 times, guys. Okay, right? So fine, guys. So we stop it now. I'll share this video. Right, go through one more time, guys. Go through one more time. Okay, thank you all of you, guys. Bye.